After my last video, that's my dollar arbitrage video. This is the video showing up right here, right now. I told you guys that I'm going to be showing you websites that's going to pay you with Payoneer. Now that's a way that you can actually get money into your Payoneer account, so you can use it for either your arbitrage business or just totally withdraw it, and you can actually spend the money. And of course, it's money that you've made online. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 websites that's going to pay you with Payoneer. Then after that, I'm going to be giving you a list of about 50 to 100 different websites where you can actually get work, where you can actually work and get paid with Payoneer easily, right? So Payoneer is one of the best payment platforms on the internet today. You can use it to withdraw money from over 200 websites on the internet. And if you want to set up a Payoneer account, the video showing up right here is going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm also going to be leaving that video in the description box below. So if you want to set up a Payoneer account, click on that place and you see my step-by-step guide on how you can actually set up a Payoneer account. And guys, if you're serious about making money online, setting up a Payoneer account is very, very, very important, right? It is one of the best payment processors. Now, PayPal is good, but PayPal has its own limitation, which is the fact that it's not available in most countries, and it also has limits of verifications and stuff like that. And PayPal has what we call cashback, where people can actually pay you and still get their money back and all of that. Now, Payoneer works like a normal bank account. Every payment is final. It cannot be reversed, right? So that's why I always go with Payoneer as opposed to PayPal anytime, any day. So let's go to my screen right now. Let me show you guys 10 different websites that will pay you with Payoneer, guys. Now, before we jump right into this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button in this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. Now, what that bell button does is that when I drop more videos, more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So that said, guys, let's go to my screen, guys, and let me show you 10 different websites that's going to pay you straight into your Payoneer account, guys. And let's go. So I'm logging into my Payoneer account right here, right? And if you come here, you're going to see some amazing figures. This is Payoneer affiliate program that just paid me 179. But of course, this is Payoneer, so maybe they actually, now look at this one. This is Udemy here, paying me $17, right? You come all the way down. You know what I'm going to do? Let's go to view all, and let's take a look at some of the websites that I'm going to be talking about, as we proceed. So I'm going to be telling you about it and showing you exactly the things that they can do. Now, Payoneer affiliate program pays with Payoneer, obviously. Now you come here and go to load more. Okay, the ones that are negative are things that I pay. This is System paying me $97, right? And this is let's go all the way down. Payoneer affiliate program here again. Okay, so the ones that this is Udemy again, right? So let's go back. Let's go back in time. Let's go back to custom range. Let's go back to January 2020. Let's go back in time, back. Okay, so January 1st, 2020 to date, right? Let's come here to date. Okay, everything is going to show here. Okay, beautiful, right? So this is 17th April 2021. So let's go to load. Come here and go to load. So you see that everything here is real. So as we are scrolling down, it's loading more, right? Okay, so this is I just saw Clickbank here. This is Clickbank paying me $10,000 here. You're right. We keep going down and down, right? We keep going down. So we're going to be seeing a lot of these things that I'm talking about. This is Clickbank again paying me $3,000. So now that said, one of the first websites that actually pay with Payoneer is Clickbank, right? So what you need to do is set up a Clickbank account. Let me show you guys exactly how to do it. Now, if you're in a country where Clickbank is not allowed, there's a way to do it. There are ways around this. I made a video showing up right here to show you how to navigate this, right? But Clickbank is the biggest affiliate network in the world, right? And they pay with Payoneer. And you've seen proof inside my Payoneer account of Clickbank actually paying me money. So let me log into this Clickbank account that I use for trading purposes, because the truth of the matter is that I cannot log into Clickbank from right here in this country where I am right now. I've tried that and my account was blocked. So I had to get somebody in the US to set up a new account for me, which is what I use right now. So I cannot log into it and show you around. That is why I don't show you my Clickbank dashboard anymore, right? So if I log in from here, they said that I logged in from an illegal country. That was why they shut me down. This was like late last year, I think. So I'm going to log into this account that I normally use for training, so I can show you guys exactly how to put your Payoneer details right here. So this is logging in, guys. Just give it a while. Okay, so we're logged in right here, right now, right? So we're logged in. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on our account nickname. Click on it. It's going to take us to a different interface. So that's the interface where it is right now. So once it opens this interface, you're going to come here where it says account settings. All right, and this is where you go to payment and actually add your Payoneer details. So once you come here, where it says payment information, it's going to be on check and $100 threshold. You're going to click edit right here, and it's going to give you an interface. It's going to let you put in your Payoneer details. So just change this to direct deposit, right? Then select bank country, bank city, and bank name from Payoneer, right? And put everything here, and of course save. And that's all you need to do, right? So you can reduce your threshold, how much you want to get paid when your money gets to this amount, you want to get paid, stuff like that. You can actually do all of that right here, right here. So let's go back to Payoneer. Let me show you guys exactly how to copy your. So you can come here to Payoneer and go back to home. Right, you can copy your account information. You can copy your account information when you come back to home. So this is your account, your different accounts. You have euro, you have pounds, you have Australian dollar, and of course there's a US dollars right here. There's Japanese yen and Canadian dollars right here, right? So I can just click here now, click here and click on a receiving account. It's going to give me my account information. So this information that it shows right here is what I'm going to be imputing inside of Clickbank to actually get paid with Payoneer, right? So the next website that allows you to pay with Payoneer is Fiverr.com. Right, Fiverr is where my online journey started. My making real money online. This is where it actually started for me in 2016. Right, so you can just come on Fiverr right here, right now, and set up an account. Then switch to selling, and of course, add your Payoneer account. This one you don't need to link your copy your account details and paste into Fiverr. No, you can actually link your Fiverr account to Payoneer because Fiverr is a Payoneer a partner, so you can link your account easily. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I explained this in the completefiverrcourse.com, so you can go there, grab that course, and actually get this thing done. Right, these days I don't sell on Fiverr anymore. I actually buy more on Fiverr than I actually sell on Fiverr. So yeah, you can actually do that easily. So if your money gets deposited into your Payoneer account, you just need to hit withdraw, and your money gets withdrawn into your Payoneer account. Now, if we come here right now and go back to account activity and actually search, let me go to transactions. Let me go to transaction and actually search for Fiverr. You're going to be seeing when I used to be active on Fiverr. This is search, right? If you come here and search for Fiverr, I'm sure you see a couple of paychecks. This is the account I use on Fiverr. Yes, this is it. So this is PayPal, Fiverr.com. Okay, these are all payments I made on Fiverr. So you see more payments than actually money coming in, because these days I spend a lot of money on Fiverr, right, than actually sell, because I don't sell things on Fiverr again, like I used to do. It's not what I do. It's active income, not passive income. And me, I am all for passive income. No, I'm all for passive income, guys. Right? So you can just go here. You're going to see a whole lot of monies that are actually made on Fiverr. So Fiverr is number 2, and Upwork is a website just like Fiverr, right, where you can actually set up an account and link your Upwork account to your Payoneer account, and you can receive money directly from Upwork into Payoneer. Now, if there's a particular one that you want me to make a video showing you step by step on how to actually do the linking, like I showed you for Clickbank, let me know in the comment section, and of course I'm going to consider making that video for you guys. So, right? So, and the next one we're going to be looking at is share and sell. I actually have a video showing up right here, showing you exactly how to create a share and sell account and link it to your Payoneer account. Right, it's a very detailed video, so I'm not going to be dwelling on this. What I'm going to tell you is that this website will pay you straight into your Payoneer account easily, right? So the next one I'm going to be looking at after that is this other website called Alamy. Now, Alamy is an interesting website, but people don't know the fact that all these images on this website basically sell images, right? And all the images on the website were uploaded by people like you and me. So all you need to do is to just take a picture with your phone and put it on this website, and of course you can start making money, when somebody buys your stuff. So become a contributor. This is where you need to go to actually do that, right? And of course add your Payoneer account and everything, and you're going to be getting paid into your Payoneer account. Now, there are over 292 million stock photos, vectors, and videos on this website, and these were all uploaded like by people like you and me. right? And each time a sale is made, they're actually going to be getting a commission. And the interesting thing is that that commission is going to be paid straight into your Payoneer account. So take your phone right now and of course go ahead and start doing this. So this is exactly how it works. Sell your work around the world. Join and earn up to 50% of any sale. So once a sale is made, you're gonna get 50% of whatever it's made, so long as you actually own that content. So we pay out over $1 million every month to our contributors, so you can actually begin to earn part of this $1 million by just using your phone, taking good pictures and putting it on this website. So you just come here and set up an account, and of course, yes, it pays with Payoneer, so you can actually add your Payoneer account and of course get paid it straight into your Payoneer account. And the sixth one we're going to be looking at is people per hour, right? People per hour is more or less like Fiverr and Udemy, but it's bigger in terms of you actually people actually pay more on this website. The quality of work that you get on this website is a lot better than those other websites, right? So people spend a lot more money on this website. So if you have a skill, you can just come here. And I've said, if you actually want me to make a video on people per hour and show you guys exactly how it works, how you can sign up and everything, let me know in the comment section and I'll consider making that video for you guys. I'm just gonna come here right now, and you just need to sign up for an account, become a freelancer, and of course, put connect your pay per hour account to your Fiverr, to your Payoneer account, and your money, the monies that you make on this platform is going to be sent straight into your Payoneer account. It's that simple. It's that easy, guys. Right now, the sixth one, this is one that I actually made the most money. I actually made a lot of money from, just like Clickbank and some of these other websites. I actually made a lot of money on this one. It's called Digistore, right? And if you look at this places, the account was created. I made over 49,000, almost $50,000 on this website alone, right? So and what you need to do is to just come here and add your payout account, right? So go to Payoneer, copy your account just like I showed you guys for Clickbank, and input it right here. Now, for those of you who live in countries where some countries do not allow Digistore, because of course the payments and everything, they need the tax information, right? So you need to I've actually made a video showing up right here, showing you guys, telling you guys exactly how you can actually get an account. That's how I was able to get this account also, right? So you can just come all the way down right here. You're going to see the bank information right here, right? This is from Payoneer, this is from Payoneer, this is from Payoneer, right? I'm using the euro account, so this money gets paid into Payoneer on the euro balance. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple and that straightforward. So yeah, exactly, you can do that. So of course, Digistore is something that you can do. Now the fourth one I'm going to be talking, the eighth one I'm going to be talking about is SEOCollect, right? It's more or less like Fiverr, but this is a website that people actually use to do arbitrage, right? I'm going to be making this video, a lot of videos on Fiverr this period, showing you guys exactly how to set up a Fiverr account on your phone, how to create a gig on your phone, the kind of gigs that you create. There are actually 12 different gigs that I'm going to be teaching you guys. These gigs have very low competition, right? And I'm going to also be showing you how to do arbitrage on Fiverr, right? Where you can actually pay somebody on a website for less and take higher money on Fiverr and deliver the job without doing anything. So your job is to be the middleman, connect somebody, somebody contacts you, pays you, you pay somebody cheaper on another website, the person pays you on Fiverr, and everybody is happy at the end of the day, right? I'm going to be making a lot of videos on Fiverr. That's a video you want to see, let me know in the comment section, guys, and of course I'm going to be making that video, right? So SEOCollect pays you with Payoneer also, so you just need to click here, join in, and joining is very easy, right? Start selling a gig, a service right here, something very simple and very easy, right? I'm going to be making a video on the kind of things that you can sell that is pretty easy for you to actually do without skill, So another website that I love so much is Amazon. Like, right, I bought a lot of things on Amazon. Amazon, you can actually list your own product on Amazon. It's called Amazon FBA, right? You can also list your product or your books, using the kdp.amazon.com. I actually made a video about this. And you can also join the Amazon affiliate program, which is Amazon Associate. I've also made a video about this. All the links to this video are going to be jump out below, so you can click it and actually watch videos on how to actually get these things done, right? And the interesting thing is that they will pay you through Payoneer. They will pay into your Payoneer account, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, right? Even if you're in a third world country, so long as Payoneer is allowed in that country, which is like over 200 countries in the world, right? Of course, it's gonna work for you. So you just need to set up an account, set up your Payoneer details and everything. I've actually, this video showing up right here will show you exactly how to do that, right? So the next website that pays with Payoneer is Airbnb, right? Recently I was in South Africa, and once I actually booked an Airbnb apartment before I arrived. So it was an amazing experience. So the owners of these houses, the hosts, right, they are getting paid with a Payoneer, right? So you can click on become a host and actually set up your payment details, and of course host an experience, right? Put in your Payoneer details, and everybody Airbnb is going to be paying you through Payoneer.
So you can basically come to Airbnb and set up. People come to Airbnb and set up, book your home. You can use your home actually, or you can actually go out there. You know what? Maybe I should actually make a video on how to make money with Airbnb, how to run an Airbnb business, right? If that's a video you want to see, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a detailed video showing you guys exactly how to set up an account, how to find properties, how to list up properties on Airbnb, and how to set up your payment, and actually how to promote so you can actually get people to book your property. Right? You can use a room in your house, arrange it very well, and people actually want to pay to stay there. It's cheaper than staying in a hotel. Living in hotels are very, very lonely. So people would rather stay in a house where there is somebody. So yeah, exactly, that works. So the next website is Commission Junction, which is also an affiliate marketing network, right? So expect bigger results. This website pays about $1 billion monthly, to their customers, $14 billion annually, and 157 million annually. Drive more online and offline transactions and blah blah blah. So okay, the revenue potential is actually $16 billion annually. That's the revenue that they make. Just before profit and everything. So you can just come here and sign up for an account, right? A lot of products are actually listed on this website. You can actually grab your affiliate link and start promoting, right? And the interesting thing is that they're going to pay you through Payoneer. It's pretty simple. Now, another one is Rakuten. Rakuten is just like CJ, it's just like SheSell, it's just like Clickbank, it's just like, but they have a lot more products, so you can actually come here and, start promoting, set up an account and start promoting, and of course they pay you through Payoneer. They are actually a Payoneer partner, right? I promised you guys 10. I think this is the 11th or the 12th one, right? So I'm giving you more than I actually promised, and the next one is Getty Images. Now, Getty Images is actually bigger than Alamy, but they do virtually the same thing. So you can come right here right now and actually set up an account, take your own pictures, and you can sell your pictures easily. If you watch CNN and all those other websites, you're going to see the fact that they actually buy pictures from Getty Images. They don't have cameras everywhere in the world, but you could be their camera. Whatever it is that is happening in your area, you can take a picture of it and put it on this website. Somebody is ready to pay for those pictures, right? And once they pay, Getty Images shares that profit with you. So they give you a percentage and keep a percentage of whatever it is that they make. So you can actually click here to apply to become a contributor, set up an account right here, take pictures, upload it, and of course, put in your Payoneer account details, and I'm going to be paying you straight into your Payoneer account, guys, right? So like I promised, I said I'm going to be giving you 10, I'm giving you 12, but I also said I'm going to be giving you a list of, a whole lot more that I didn't mention in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be leaving a link, a link to that list box below. So what you need to do is to click on that link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a list that I curated myself of all those websites that are actually going to pay you with Payoneer. So once you go there, you can actually set up an account on this website, find the one that you can work on, do the work there. Once you make money, you can actually get these things done. You can actually make money straight into your Payoneer account, guys. And you can actually use this money for your dollar arbitrage if that's what you want to do, right? You can use it for your dollar arbitrage. So for websites like Getty Images, websites like affiliate marketing, like Alamy, those things are purely passive income. So you can just take pictures as much as you want, just upload your pictures and go home and go and sleep as much pictures as you want. You can actually upload like 10 pictures every single day, right? The more pictures you have, the more opportunities you create for yourself on those platforms, right? And once they start selling, you start getting money, you start getting a commission at the end of every month. It's that simple, guys, right? So I guess you're getting value from this video, and I want to encourage you guys to subscribe I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button if you've not done that. Subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more awesome videos like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification, guys. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you, guys.